This is one of my all-time favorites, the chest. Now know that you can also do the chest against the wall if this gets to be too much, but we're gonna break this area down below our shoulder blade, down towards the top of our breast tissue. Break it into 2 sections. It'll make sense when we get into this. So go ahead and turn your body to the side. So if I'm facing the camera, you see my knees are to the side, so my hip bone is straight. And then my roller ultimately is going to end up like this. When I lay down, it's going to be at an angle. So if you're working your left side, the angle of the roller is going to be up, pointed high to the right, okay? And when I lay down, keep in mind, it's just my head and my shoulder that are across the other side of the roller. So maybe the easiest way to do this is you sit on your side, take the roller and angle it up a little away from you. I'm going to put my hands down to the flat on the back side of the roller, like I'm going to do a wide push-up, and then lead with my shoulder. I'm going to drop my shoulder down and put it over top of the roller. Hands are back behind it, and then make your body comfortable. I'm going to pull my body back to where the roller is right at the tip of my shoulder, but I can still feel my rib wall right below your collarbone. And we're going to relax our body and push up into the roller a rib or 2, and then back down. Relax what you're working on. Push up into the roller. Try to get flush against your rib wall and back down. Push up into the curve of the roller and relax your body back down. So palms are kind of pushing me a little bit up into the roller and back down. Now we can push up, and we're going to add just a little shear. I like to put my palms on the ground and just a little push to the left till I can't go any further. A little push to the right, trying to keep my ribs on the roller, right? Keep my body straight against the roller. Little shear left, a little shear right. And then find a place you can hold pressure. Take a belly breath and relax. Let's go again. We're gonna push up a couple more ribs at a time. We'll scoot back where you can see me good. So now we're gonna push up a couple more ribs, maybe the 3rd and 4th rib. Push up into the roller. Relax your upper body. Push up into the roller and back down. Let's go one more time. Relax up into the roller. So I'm a little higher this time, or the roller's a little lower. And we're gonna put our hands, our palms down, and we're gonna shift our weight left and right. Take the slack out, right? So how far do you go? Until the skin stops you. Shear a little to the inside. How far do you go? Till the skin stops you. A little shear. So your ribs are scrubbing the inside layers. Now, if you're getting a numb hand, I'm gonna invite you to turn your chest a little closer to the roller. Don't be over here on the side. You've got some nerves in there. All the nerves, actually, that go down to your arm. And now let's compress, relax, take a belly breath. And we're done with that side. That should feel awesome right now. Now, if that was too much, no, you can go up against a wall and just bend your knees low and push up into the roller and back down. Same thing. All right, let's switch sides. So again, come to your side hip. I'm working my right side. So I'm gonna angle the roller up a little bit to the left, but my hip bone is straight ahead, right? So my hands are gonna go, my palms to the ground on the back side of the roller. And then I'm gonna kind of lean down. It's your sexy pose. Lean down, lead with the shoulder down. And then just get your body to where you're comfortable. Just squish your legs up there. And right below my clavicle, my chest wall is against the roller. So here we go. I'm gonna pull the roller back and start as high as I can, and then gently push up into the roller and back down. You're just going maybe 2 ribs at a time and back down. Relax. 3 to 5 good slow glides up into the roller, back down. Up into the roller and back down. Last one here, up into the roller. Now we're going to just put our palms to the ground, and we're going to shift our weight back and forth. So relaxing your chest against the roller, pinning the skin, and take the slack out. Go as far as you can to the left. I'll turn a little bit so you can see better. As far as you can to the left, as far as you can to the right. Try to just keep my body, my ribs straight down on the roller. And one more time left, one more time right. Then compress, take a breath. Now let's go again. Let's do 2 or 3 more ribs below. Up a little higher into the roller and back down. Up a little higher. It's like you're pushing the breast tissue down, up into the roller. So you're feeling right now your pec minor that goes from a little point off your shoulder blade called your coracoid process and down to your ribs. Now we'll go up and shear back and forth. So scrub those ribs against the roller. If it's painful, we back off. Maybe you just stop and take a breath and relax. One more scrub left. Take the slack out. Go as far as you can. One more time right. Belly breath. And then we come back up. How's your chest feel? Right? I think it feels good enough that we should go right into a sternum decompress. All right, so your ribs and your sternum, they interlocked like this. And when you breathe, your ribs should kind of rotate and lift. A lot of us get really stuck right here. And we stay in this position. And we have a lot of grief. And we have a lot of sadness. And we have really bad posture because we look at a phone. We're going to ultimately be laying down on this roller where our sternum is, this guy, is going to be against it. We're going to get in and get out. We only do this a couple of times because it's a lot of pressure, but it's very powerful and effective, especially if you have any kind of pulmonary issues as well. When we lay down on the roller, our chin's going to clear the roller. But when I invite you to pull your chin back, it's pull your chin back like this, not pull your chin up. That lengthens your spine. So get ready for the cueing. We're going to sit straddle on the roller. We'll come to hands and knees. So maybe I should come this way at just an angle. Come to hands and knees to where when I lower myself down, my chin is going to clear the roller, okay? So I'm going to slowly put my pubic bone down on the ground. And then you might have to separate your girls. I'm going to lay down on the roller. But come on your forearms for a second. So don't put all that pressure on your sternum just yet. Now I'll turn this angle so you can see me. So my sternum is on the roller. Here's the two actions that we're getting ready to do. We're going to lengthen our neck, right? Pull the chin back. We're going to sip through a straw. And it's going to fill your lungs and lift you up. And then you're going to deflate all the way down with a long spine. Here we go again. Lift up, it fills you up, fills up your tire. Exhale, deflate your tire all the way down. Relax your arms. One more time. Sip through a straw. It'll lift you up. Relax. Keeping that neck long. Exhale all the way out. And then slowly come off the roller to the side. We're going to lay down to the ground and just relax for just a minute. Maybe turn your head. Take a breath or two. Maybe turn your head the other way. And then we'll come back up. Push your hands up to hands and knees.